welcome back to my channel and happy Tuesday, you guys. I know that I haven't gone for like a week. I did not upload for our last week. I know, I'm so sorry. Don't kill me, please. Don't kill me. I'm sorry. I have just last week I was a little bit down. I was a bit down. So I didn't, I didn't like feel I didn't feel like putting anything up. I was not in the mood. I was a bit down. I was just not feeling myself. I was just like, girl, we're gonna do that next week, okay? So today I'm gonna be vlogging from home due to coronavirus. I am so scared to go outside. Literally today I just went to Morrison's, and on my way to Morrison's I was just praying to God that I was praying in my mind, like, please not let anybody cough or sneeze so close to me. God, please help me, protect me, guide me. So yeah, it was just like, it's madness what's happening right now. It's madness. I don't understand. Like, I've never seen that happen, like in a supermarket. Everything is literally out of stock, okay? Literally, okay? Tissue papers, what else is gone? Like yogurts, everything is literally gone, okay? So I'm just like, the best thing to do right now is probably go to like a corner shop or something like close to your house. You might find some stuff there. The world is coming to an end, Jesus is coming, give your life to Christ so you don't end up in hellfire, basically. So the world is coming to an end, okay? So you guys need to start going to church, pray daily, wash your hands, drink water, take your vitamin C, and mind your business. Okay, so let's get through to today's video. Today's video, I'm going to be what am I gonna do? I need to clean the bathroom because it's just so messy. Everything is messy. So I'm gonna do all of that, and also I am expecting a delivery. And once that comes, I'm going to how do you say it? I'm going to unpack, right? Is that unpack? No, I'm going to build. Is that the word? I don't know. But I'm expecting a delivery today, so I'm gonna fix that with you guys. As soon as I get inside, I make sure that I wash my hands, spray out my door handle with this, what's it called, with like, literally I just use the Dettol disinfection. There we go. There's a delivery right there. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my delivery. This is a frame from Desenio. I'm gonna put it right here. Ooh, so this is a picture frame from Desenio, and I'm gonna open that with you right now.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong.
I'm gonna get one more frame and put it right there, or I might just get two more frames and put one on this side and the other one on that side, so it can look much nicer. And I just love the way it looks right now. And for the pictures, guys, I got the pictures from Etsy, and these were really cheap, like it's just like a water with like gold, whatever, I don't know. So my other delivery is finally here. I'm going to open that one right now, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and tidy up upstairs, the bathroom, and then I'm going to end the vlog after that, because I don't really want this vlog to be too long. So yeah, before we do all of that, let's open the other delivery. Okay.
Yeah. Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till
The table is absolutely so beautiful, so pretty. I love it. And also the rug I got from like Modern Rugs online. I'm gonna check. I'm not sure the website, the name of the website. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to tidy up this mess that I've created.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad.
So guys, I am going to end this video right here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment down below. And also, if you're new here, hi, my name is Mary. You are most definitely welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and also thumbs up. And also, if you guys have any videos suggestions, like any type of videos that you want me to film, because I don't have any videos ideas, I don't know what to put up, you know. Let me know in the comments what type of videos that you guys want to see me film, so let me know. And also, I also wanted to point out that this coronavirus issue is quite serious, okay? You guys, you need to be careful. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Follow the instructions. Going out, you really don't really have to go out. If it's not necessary, you really don't have to go. Like, stay in your house to prevent the spread of this virus, okay? So stay in your house. People are really dying from this thing, okay? People are dying, and it's very serious. It's crazy. I know it's annoying, but it's crazy. So yeah, you just really just have to follow the instructions and do what they ask you to do. Yeah, so that's about it. I don't want to ramble too much. So I will see you guys in my next video, which is on Friday. I'll see you guys on Friday. I hope you guys have a lovely week, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.